Which of the following are not fatty acids? So the fatty acids which are given in the textbook are arachidonic acid and palmitic acid. So wherever you have B and C, eliminate those options. So C is here, eliminated, B eliminate, B and C both are here. So the right answer is option number 3. So we solved it in around 30 seconds. So let's understand every option asked in this question. First one is aspartic acid. What is aspartic acid? It is an amino acid. So this is the structure. It has an amino group and one acid group. Okay. And what is the total number of carbon? So in this line structure, every bend and every end is a carbon. So this is carbon number 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is fourth carbon. And fourth carbon also is a carboxylic acid group. And this is the reason this is a negatively charged amino acid. Next one, glutamic acid. If you notice the structure, it is similar except glutamic acid has an additional carbon. So total number of carbon is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and this is fifth carbon. So this is called the alpha carbon because it is adjacent to the carboxylic acid group and it is an amino acid, so it has amino as well as acid group. And an additional acid group makes it negatively charged amino acid. Then lecithin is also given in the option. Lecithin is a phospholipid because it has a phosphate group. So this is the general structure. This is the glycerol and to each carbon there is a fatty acid attached via ester linkage. So this linkage is phosphoester linkage and to the phosphate there is another group called choline attached and together this complete molecule is called lecithin. So lecithin belongs to phospholipid category. All three are not fatty acids. These two are amino acid and this is phospholipid. Then next one, this is a fatty acid. So palmitic acid has carboxylic acid group. This is carbon number 1. And if you count it from here, carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So total number of carbon is C16. And it is saturated. There are no double bonds in palmitic acid. This is fatty acid. The last category is arachidonic acid. So what do you see here? If you count the total number of carbon in the chain, it will be 20. There are 20 carbon atoms and 4 double bonds. So this is polyunsaturated fatty acid. So this is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. Then this is 6, 7, 8. 8. Then 9, 10, 11. This is 11. Then 12, 13, 14. This is carbon number 14. So position of double bond is 5, 8, 11 and 14. And total number of carbon is 20. See, structure is not important for you to by heart, but it will give you an edge. You will feel more confident, more prepared if you learn the structures. But if you go according to the syllabus, whether it will be asked in the exam or not, the answer is no. Nobody is going to ask you the structure except if the structure is given in the diagram. For example, lecithin. You need to know the structure of this phospholipid. And choline, choline is basically NNN trimethyl ethanolamine. So choline structure will be something like this. I will draw in this corner. This is choline. So it is ethanolamine. Basically, this is 2 carbon plus you will have a nitrogen group, and to the nitrogen there will be 3 methyl groups, CH3. In the bracket there are 3 methyl group, and this one will be oxygen, and this oxygen will be attached to the phosphate group. So this is the structure of choline. So make sure that you learn all the structures which are given in the textbook in this chapter, biomolecules. That's all about this question. Thank you so much for watching my video.